On the train? No, you didn't take my shit. The what's up? They're cheating?
Need to recharge my shields.
For the champion team? Okay. Well, I'm gonna get my weapons up and I'll be right there.
Sai, you know we can't go against the champions. Sai, we cannot
what
go
about it
against
now?
the champions.
Alright, so how decent were they?
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Ooh, Spitfires. Yeah, and a G7? Yeah. Alright, let's get at it. Let's do this. Oh, I'm going there now to see if I can get you, and if not, then I'm gonna just
we're not
from
gonna
there and we'll just retry it. And you know what? If we want, do you want to just quit out of this match? It's not ranked. I'm down. I'll get out of it if we don't. Yeah, let's go ahead and just leave this fucking match. Yeah, it's all good, bro. Yeah, well, let's go ahead and just get out and go to the lobby.
Grappling, my ultimate is ready.
Yeah, I'm better than this.
But
Okay. Hello.
hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Upstairs.
Hola.
I'm gonna come.
Hello.
In your room?
Oh my god. We're gonna go down there. We're gonna kill them all. We're gonna do his back.
You can take your computer with you.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, Eminem.
If not, Leah, just make sure that they're laying down good.
What happened? What now? I can't. Holy shit. God damn. Holy shit. Like, you know, I could see a million with some people, but holy shit. Oh my
What
god.
the? Bro, stop
Dude,
playing.
like, dude, I have like 1,000 with Loba. I think that's like my highest. The consoles.
Lock and load, rinse,
Yeah,
repeat.
dude, like
It's
when you
that
got
simple.
that many, oh my god.
But that means you're on the game like all day, all night, bro. Stop
So that
playing.
means you have no life. Yeah. Well, I am too, but not like that, bro. Like, bro.
This is your champion.
I actually, I'll admit, I'll pack in a 4 or 5 hour day on fucking Apex a lot. Like right, no, bro, I have not been able to go to work for the last 6 months. I have been on this game almost every fucking day. Oh, then here.
Let's reposition here.
I'm gonna give you jump
stay on
master.
me. I'm the jump master.
Okay. Let's try to let's try to remain inside and control the fight inside. That's like the best ways. That's like some of the best ways to win. And then at the same time, What was I? Fuck. You're like, fuck it.
Round 1. Beginning
Oh,
ring
I'm very
countdown.
competitive. Like, I'm a Leo, so I'm competitive. Kill them
Kill
all.
'em.
First place, it's
So-
kill or die.
Reloading.
So I don't want to sound like a noob. I don't want to sound like a noob, but like I want to camp, bro. Camp. I want to see how that
On a
goes.
cab?
I want to camp.
What's
I want
that?
to see how that goes. Basically, stay in the spot.
I'm down. Oh yeah,
Like
I'm
for the whole
down.
round.
Like that's why I usually get
Okay.
caustic. Like, oop, I got people. I got footsteps.
Pick up my avatar.
I got people.
Hey, landed enough confirmed hits to level up my shields.
I got them.
Where are you at? Oh,
Goodbye.
okay.
How do you snap a robot's neck? It just doesn't seem possible, Revenant. Just try to
Here.
shoot me.
Hey, Deadpool, come here. Stay.
Range.
Stay, come
On my
here.
way. Wait.
Hold
What's
on,
up?
wait. Hold on, wait.
Oh,
Wait till my zip line is ready. I'm gonna make a zip line. What the heck? How'd you do it?
you do know Revenant can climb all the way up on buildings, right?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, bro. Like here, check this out. Like, watch this. From any building,
ultimate is
any
ready.
height. Check this out. There's no limit to Revenant's.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, in the console, it doesn't matter with Revenant. He can go as high as you want.
Sai, come here. Wait, hold on. Sai. Hey. Bro,
1 minute.
He just
Rings
climbed
nearby.
the whole
Look at the chart. We're
fucking-
spread too
Yeah,
thin.
Revenant has that ability, bro. And when he does this, check this out. And when he does this, crawling, he goes faster, and no one can see his footsteps when he does this.
I'm actually satisfied. The heck?
Awesome.
Bro, what the heck? Okay, here.
We have all 5.
Grappling.
3-0.
I
Rings
hear a
So are we gonna
close.
do the
rumble.
camping thing, or are we gonna do the camping
I'm
thing?
down.
Or,
We just gotta
Ultimate's
go to
up.
a survey beacon and find out where the next storm's gonna stop. That way we can stay inside the circle. We don't have to move if we want to camp.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
So let's go to a survey beacon. Well, we
Sigh.
still have to go to the inner
Care
circle,
package
so
being delivered.
we can still go kill and do shit when we get to the inner circle, and we can camp.
Sai, I know you don't want to camp because like you're just too good like that, but like most of us need to camp.
There's
Most of us need to
gonna be a supply drop coming right here. I'm gonna wait for that. That gives me time to smoke a bowl.
I should have put the Ford on this thing.
Go, take it in. Where's my joint? Where's my joint? Give me my motherfucking joint. Oh,
Contact with target.
ooh.
Oh,
Extended light magazine here. Level 3.
Ah.
Being delivered.
Hey, she's almost dead.
yeah, we do.
I am taking fire, friends.
Sai, help.
I almost got the wraith, but apparently she fucking damn bitch.
Yes, Sai, it's like if we do headshots, it doesn't even like matter. They still like stay up.
No, the wraith was not that good. The wraith was nowhere.
Putting lead down range. Spotted. Double timing it.
You gotta get it.
Yeah.
Taking fire. Target. Top in the chimney. Giving my shields a recharge.
He's just too good like that. Nobody could beat Sai. He's just too good like that.
Reloading.
Hey, don't jinx him. Don't jinx him.
Enemy spotted. Near me.
Oh, he got you.
Down another.
There
can
you
I
go,
say?
bro.
Like,
There you
he
go.
just-
Keep it up,
Sigh.
dude. You got this.
Hostile. Danger
So
close.
you can't get beaten.
Hey, once he gets them,
Respawn beacon here.
that's right. Yep, one's trying to heal.
Respawn beacon here.
Um,
Firing.
Oh,
Get that bitch. Thank you, bro. Fuck
yeah.
that bitch. That's the one that killed me. That was fucking epic, bro. Thank you.
Bro. I already said Psy can't be stopped. Psy can't be stopped. So I said don't mess with Psy.
Give me a sec.
No, all right.
Recharging shields.
All right. I'll give him his respect. I'll give him his dues. Yeah.
Time to drop, shock, and rock.
All right. Oh, it's all good. You haven't touched my box, huh? You sick bastard. Stop touching my box, bro.
Oh my god.
I find that very disturbing, bro. Could you please not?
Once I call in old painless, targets only have a few seconds to clear the field.
Hey, I see a purple box right here. What you got? What you got, homie? Ooh, yeah, what you got on my 40, dog?
Countdown.
Who's shooting at me?
There we go.
Give me a sec. Recharging
Somebody
shields.
I
was
don't
just
know,
shooting
but-
at me.
Find out. I'll go run around like bait. Yep, there we go. Right here.
Reloading. Give me a sec. Recharging shields.
Wait, can I get that kill?
I don't know who shot me. Oh my god, that was not nice.
Reloading.
This is not the neighborhood I wanted my kids to grow up in. Those animals. Oh my god, there's the fucking train. Hey,
Here
and
I
there's the
go.
person on here. Oh, never mind, that's you. Jesus Christ, Thomas.
Near me.
Bro, there's actually
Hustle right here.
My sights. Down another. Confirmed kill.
Psy. Can you stop carrying
Murder.
this, please?
Can you slow down on the murder, bro, and let us?
My
Exactly. Like,
I would
let
like
us
to at
just
least have
murder.
more than one kill. Yeah, like
I'll
true
like
to
to have more
violence
than 0
doesn't make
kills.
it doesn't make sense unless everybody gets to do
Give
it.
my shields a recharge.
Exactly.
Like,
It's called teamwork.
Here I go.
I want to get
Thank
teamwork on the
you.
murder.
thank you. Like, fuck, there's no I in team,
Give me a
asshole.
sec. Recharging shields.
You can fucking slit a throat
Wait,
or two. But there is me.
Oh my god. It's team, bro. It's squad, bro.
Yeah, there we
I
go.
wanna. I mean, I wanna
Grappling.
slit some some
Ring aim
throats. I
far.
mean, like,
Half of
it
one.
seems kind of fun.
Okay.
Wanna watch it?
Right? Like, dude, you're like, oh, dude. I mean, come on, dude. With Revenant's fucking finisher, he snaps people's necks, bro. I mean, he just no fucks given. Just like, hey, yeah, right in the face, dude. Just